Hello, Year 4 English. Happy Friday. This is the last video for your English test this week. And again, it's the same document that we were working on yesterday that we're going to spend a little bit more time on today. So yesterday I asked you to write only the text without playing around with the layout, the font, the color, the size of the text. Now, so there are kind of three things you need to do today. Firstly, if you didn't finish the text yesterday, so if you didn't finish writing the main body of the text, writing those paragraphs, do that first. And once you've done that, go back to the success criteria we made yesterday and just give yourself a tick, a yes or a no for all these things here that we've talked about on a few occasions. And anything you've done, yes, 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 or no. So if there's anything that you haven't done, take this opportunity to go back. It's easy to edit on a computer. You can just delete things without any rubbing out or crossing out, and see if you can put those things into your text. If there's one of those points that either confuses you or you just don't know how to do it in your own writing, you can give me a message, and we can maybe talk about that personally to help you to include all these things. So once you feel like you've got all those things ticked, you've finished, then it's time for you to start playing around with the layout a little bit, because this is something that's important for reports. You want the information to be clear on the page, so think about how you're going to make the heading stand out, think about how the subheadings are going to look, think about how you want to arrange the paragraphs. Maybe you want to insert some text boxes and have them in different parts of the page rather than just going from top to bottom. So there are lots of different things you can think about. So three things for you to do today. Firstly, to finish if you didn't already. Secondly, to check everything and to check. So when I say check everything up, I'm talking as well about the punctuation, the grammar, the spelling. Have a good look through your work to make sure those things are okay. And once you've done that, then go through the success criteria and just write kind of yes, yes, not test, but yes. And then if there's a point where you think, oh, I'm not sure if my introduction is clear enough, I'm not sure if I have enough technical vocabulary, I'm not sure if my writing's formal. If you have any questions like that, please do get in touch with me and we can talk about those together. So once you feel like you've got yeses for all of those points, finished and checked everything, then it's time to play with the colors, play with the fonts, make the heading stand out, make the text clear throughout the page, and make it look good basically. And once you've done that, you've pretty much finished your English work for the week.